On January 18, 2026, deputies were dispatched to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after two women entered a restricted jet bridge at Gate G6, following the closure of boarding for a Spirit Airlines flight to Cancun, Mexico.
Yeah, you can't do that. You gotta come out here. Yeah, but there's rules and things you gotta follow. So I was supposed to put the thing in first, right? Go.
Wait, don't touch it, please.
3 Foxtrot 400. I'm 2.5 with him. I'm gonna walk them back out.
I'm trying to. He ready to go. Okay, go.
Come on. So these two. Come back here. How far are they made? They made it. So they made it all the way to the plane. All right. Marco. So they were late. They somehow got in there and went all the way to the plane while the plane's backing out. So
It's my birthday. I'm trying to go miss my flight. We can open the door.
I don't know how they got back there.
Listen, yeah, because Ops is calling me. Ops is the one who called me. I'm like, nobody called me. First of all, they were like, they came from Pittsburgh. They were like, again? Oh my Lord.
Here we are.
They said they came from Pittsburgh and they were like, well, we missed the flight because going through damn TSA. I said, wait a minute, if you came from Pittsburgh, how would you miss the flight? Y'all must have gone through. Why would you go through TSA? They're like, no, we didn't go through. Yes, we went through TSA. One saying they went out to smoke. The other one saying we don't smoke. The other one goes, yeah, we smoke. Da-da-da-da. So they literally, like, I guess, came from they're connected. That I don't know. I was literally. They pulled the door down. They told me that they ran through. That everything was closed up. They pulled everything, ran through to think that they could get on the aircraft. Yeah, but how did they get through this door if it was closed? They pull it. That's why the thing was going off. Yeah, but how would it, like, then that door is not secure. That door is not safe. That's right. All I know is I got the phone call. I wasn't. She was. She was on the jet bridge. No, you. I was coming up, and when I got the phone call saying I need you right now, I got 2 passengers on the jet. Huh? She said she that way. Lower G.
That's what she said. She said, I pulled the door. They pulled the door and then when she said, also they was yanked it.
How'd you get back there? Was that door open?
We just turned the doorknob and opened it. That's it. We didn't break in and nothing. Ask that lady.
Bravo 40, nice in the air.
Like, we just turned the doorknob. That's it. She said they lay there. They just shut the door. We went and opened it. That's it.
Yeah, that's like a big deal. Like if people try to go down there when they shouldn't.
Well, we were just trying to find somebody
You guys aren't free to leave when our you see how there's like 8 cops around here. It's kind of a big deal, okay?
we're apologize. We were just trying to catch our flight.
Is there any way we could be accommodated for our flight? Is there any way we could be accommodated for our flight, our trip?
I mean, that you're gonna have to figure out. You already missed the plane. If the plane's backing out, you already
It
missed.
wasn't backing out. They were still there.
Once they get on there and they close those doors, the plane is pretty much gone. So you're not allowed to just go out.
Like, we were just,
Plus, it's like a restricted area. I'm surprised that door was open.
yeah, I just
Give me a second.
Slow down for me, please.
Detain them. All right, they're gonna detain you.
for what?
It doesn't mean you're under arrest, but you're just being detained. It's unlawful that you go
For my
back there.
birthday?
No, not for your birthday.
It is my birthday. I'm 50 years old.
Yes, please.
You're just being detained. That doesn't mean you're under arrest. They're just detaining you. All right?
You know, I'm 50 years old. Silly, are you serious? Bitch, all because you want to smoke a cigarette? I'm serious. I'm not, I don't give a fuck.
Let's go ahead and get them outside.
Okay, so we have a unit over there?
We'll worry about that. Let's just start getting them out of this.
Okay. Well, what do you mean, man? Which the quickest way out? Right there. Go ahead. Follow him. Huh? No, just walk the way it is. Let's go ahead and stand right here against the wall.
Like, we're old ass ladies. We ain't Doing nothing. I'll get your chair. It's her birthday. You see, it's her birthday.
So here's the thing. We don't know what happened. Okay. We just got called to there. Whatever took place, took place. They'll sort it out now. Okay? Okay. So
Can
it's
y'all
just sit
take
there.
these cups off?
Nope, can't. Can't. They're back there. They'll sort it out. They'll let us know.
TSA was taking long. TSA was taking long. We had to find where we was going. When we got there, nobody was there. So we turned the door and we went in. That's it. That's all. We should try to catch our flight. It's my birthday.
Did anybody scan your boarding passes?
Nobody was out there. We were trying to find somebody. We opened the door to see if somebody was in there.
The door was already shut?
Yeah.
That's the problem right there.
It wasn't locked. No, it said push or pull.
No, I know, but when it's shut, they have to scan your boarding pass and check you in at the counter. Ma'am, turn around, please,
No,
and scan.
it's cool,
Ma'am, ma'am, lean, please.
It's cool, Val. It's hurt my feelings. I'm 49 today. I'm under arrest.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, kiss my ass.
I mean, I'm sorry, but
Shit.
like I said, let them figure it out. Let them figure it out, and they'll let us know.
Feelings is, I ain't even mad. I'm not even mad or scared or nothing. Like,
They got a mark you to come
To
in.
have a good time for our birthday.
man,
Where y'all headed to?
Cancun.
Oh shit!
That shit make you want to smack the do something to go to jail.
Just the two of you?
Shit.
It's our birthday today, Massachusetts.
It's crazy. Hell.
All right, ma'am. Come sir, walk with me. We'll take care of that. Okay? I'll let him know. Come sir, walk with me. Walk. Then we'll get the other one. All right, ma'am.
I feel like dying, yo. Literally, that's how bad I feel. I feel like literally just sitting down. Dang. I can't believe this. Everything I worked for is stolen away in 1 second. In a matter of seconds. Are you kidding me?
We'll walk at the other one. Okay, ma'am. Come sir, follow me, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna go on the other side, okay?
Okay.
Turn around. Okay, sit first, and then you can put yourself back, okay? There.
It's hot in here.
We're gonna turn it on now, okay, ma'am? Turn it on, if you can turn on the AC first.
They were both charged with trespassing in a critical infrastructure facility and transported to the Broward County Main Jail for booking. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.